Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly market analysis video. As usual, I will be doing the technical analysis based on market profile view, which is what you are seeing here, as well as the candlestick pattern view for the S&P 500 futures, ticker symbol ES, March 2023 contract. So without further ado, let's get right into what happened since the last week's video and what are the possible opportunities for next week. This week was a pretty short week because of Monday being like President's Day holiday. So it is only like 4 trading days session. So let's review them. Starting with February 17th profile. So last week I had mentioned that 4090.5 is going to be the line in sand for the upside. So above this you wanted to stay long, and below 4069.75 you wanted to stay short because it would be like the balance breakdown. And let's see what happened. So on Monday and Tuesday I've combined the profile. Monday was February 19th, February 20th was Tuesday. So Monday and Tuesday's overnight session I have merged, and we still have like a poor high from the overnight session here. And then on Tuesday's regular trading hours we had opened with a gap down from last Friday's low, and we had filled the gap exactly, and that's why I had marked this level as weak high. So we filled the gap and then fell back down on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday we had opened within Tuesday's range. And the reason I am skipping one profile is because that's the overnight sessions profile. So this is the Wednesday's regular trading hours profile, and we had opened within Tuesday's trading range, and so we stayed choppy most of the day. And on Thursday we had opened with a gap up. Like as you can see here, the opening of the session is marked in the blue color, and on Thursday we had opened with the gap up compared to this Wednesday's high. We filled the gap and then formed a poor high, then fell back down and closed again within Wednesday's trading range. And on Friday, which is today, we had opened with a gap down. So one day we are gapping up, one other day we're gapping down. So it's kind of pretty volatile week, I would say. And so we had opened with a gap down today. We filled the gap and then stayed choppy because there were a bunch of single prints here that formed in the overnight session, and that's why I marked them as a pink color. And that brings us some opportunities for next week with these line in sand levels, which I have marked in the green color. So below 3947.5 you want to stay short or buy put options targeting these levels. So the balance breakdown that happened this week targets 3930.25, and above 3984 you want to stay long or buy call options targeting these levels. So as long as we are trading below this 11-day balance zone, so the target would be 39.30. But if we get back above the balance low, then the target would be to like 4208.5. It's way farther apart, but yeah, just keep an eye on these two levels, 39.84 for the upside continuation and 39.47.5 for the downside continuation. So that's it for the market profile view. Let's jump into the candlestick pattern view. Starting from the top down approach, let's open the monthly chart. So the monthly trend is up but balancing up because in this month's high is above prior month's high, and so it's like trend is up as we didn't break the prior month's low yet. So trend is up but balancing on monthly. And let's go to weekly chart. On weekly, the trend is down because we broke the prior week's low, and we have closed below prior week's low as well. And now we are approaching like a trend line here on weekly time frame. So I think we got a close below this trend line as well, which marks the break in the continuation of upside, unless we get another close above this trend line that I have highlighted. So the target for next week based on candlestick pattern, like weekly, would be around 37.95, and then on daily, the trend on daily is down but balancing because we had closed today within prior day's range, and that is why it's down. The trend is down but balancing. And again, on the candlestick pattern view, we are just breaking this trend line, and we closed below it. That generally tells that there could be continuation to the downside, targeting again 39.75. So let's see. The trend on daily is down but balancing to conclude. Yeah, that's all guys. To summarize, based on market profile view, 39.47.5 is the line in sand for the downside continuation. So below this you want to stay short or buy put options targeting these levels, and above 39.84 you want to stay long or buy call options targeting these levels. Thank you very much and have a great day. If you did learn something new from this video, please feel free to give a thumbs up and share with your friends to spread the knowledge. Thank you and have a great day again. Bye bye.